Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a TikTok video using the slow-mo effect. So go to your TikTok account and tap on the plus icon to create. And once you're here, just record your video. Once you're done, tap on the check icon at the bottom right. Video. And here, video, tap on effects. Slide to the right, and the last option here is time, so tap on that. And the third option is slow-mo, tap on that. And we can choose which part of the video we want the slow-mo effect on, so let's say video here at the end, video. And that is automatically applied. So once you're done, tap save, video, next, and you're ready to post your video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next one.